The next step is to add your carrots. So you have your chopped uniformly carrots. You're going to add them to your cooking onions, and you're going to stir them in. Now, why we've added the carrots at this point is carrots have a lot of natural sugar in them, and they get a nicely caramelized flavor if you let them cook together with the onions right now. So again, you're going to mix them in with the onions. You can hear them sizzling in the pan, and let that just sit for a few minutes. Then you're going to stir them again. You don't need to add more oil to the pan because at this point you've added enough oil with the onions and you don't want your soup over oily. So you can just let the carrots cook with the onions and they'll both caramelize nicely. This process should take you about 10 minutes.